Assalamu alaikum dear students, it's lecture number 15, chemistry lecture, class second year. Yesterday we have discussed the role of gypsum in industry as well as in agriculture. Today we are discussing topic 2.6, role of lime in agriculture and industry. It's page number 32. Lime calcium oxide is a soft white compound which is obtained by the thermal decomposition of calcium carbonate. आप सब बच्चों ने चूने का नाम अक्सर सुना होगा, हमारे घरों में वाइट वॉश के लिए इस्तेमाल होता है. चूने को साइंटिफिकली जो है उसकी डिकम्पोजिशन की जाती है. एज अ रिजल्ट ऑफ दिस डिकम्पोजिशन कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड इज फॉर्म्ड विच इज़ यूजुअली नोन एज लाइम. Now we will discuss the role of lime in agriculture and also the function of calcium in plant growth, role of lime in industries. The role of lime in agriculture. Large quantities of calcium oxides are used in agriculture for neutralizing acidic soil. It has been found that application of lime to acidic soil increases the amount of readily soluble phosphorus. Point to be noted is that lime is not used for increasing the calcium uptake of plant, but it is used for increasing the phosphorus uptake of plants. Calcium oxide is also used in large amounts for making lime sulfur spray, which have a strong fungicidal action. कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड जो है इसको सल्फर के साथ मिक्स करके लाइम सल्फर स्प्रेस बनाए जाते हैं जो कि जिनका फंगिसाइडल एक्शन होता है, मतलब वो फंजाई किलर होते हैं. The hydroxide of calcium is obtained when the oxides of calcium is allowed to react with water. The process is called slaking of lime. This is an important short question. What is slaking of lime? Lime, it is an exothermic reaction, and its equation is as calcium oxide combines with water and results in the formation of calcium hydroxide, which is the slaked lime. Functions of calcium in plant growth. The presence of calcium is essential for the normal development of plant. The quantity of calcium required by different plants varies considerably. An adequate supply of calcium appears to stimulate the development of root hair and infect the entire root system. We all know that calcium is necessary for our development. हम सब जानते हैं कि कैल्शियम हमारी बॉडी में बोन्स, बालों और नाखूनों की डेवलपमेंट के लिए ज़रूरी है. बिल्कुल इसी तरह कैल्शियम जो है वो प्लांट ग्रोथ और प्लांट के जो रूट हेयर सिस्टम है उसकी डेवलपमेंट के लिए भी ज़रूरी है. Calcium is also necessary for normal leaf development and tends to accumulate in leaf as well as in bark. Bark is the wooden part of the tree. An adequate supply of calcium is also essential for the optimum activity of microorganisms that produce नाइट्रेट्स. मीन्स हमने पहले पढ़ा कि कैल्शियम जो है वो अवेलेबल फॉस्फोरस को जो है इंक्रीज़ करने के लिए इस्तेमाल होता है, और अब हम ये देख रहे हैं कि कैल्शियम से माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म की एक्टिविटी बेहतर होती है और वो बेहतर तरीके से नाइट्रोजन फिक्सेशन जो है सॉइल में करते हैं, विच रिजल्ट्स इन द बेटर डेवलपमेंट ऑफ ग्रोथ एंड डेवलपमेंट ऑफ प्लांट्स. The effect of calcium on the supply of available phosphorus in the soil is of special significance. Soils containing sufficient calcium are slightly alkaline in nature. When a deficiency of calcium exists, various substances such as aluminium and manganese may accumulate in plants in harmful concentration. जब कैल्शियम डेफिशिएंसी होती है तो बाकी सारे नुकसान तो होते ही हैं. फॉस्फोरस जो है वो अवेलेबल नहीं होती, नाइट्रोजन फिक्सेशन नहीं होती, लेकिन इसके साथ साथ जो हार्मफुल हैवी मेटल्स हैं जैसे कि एल्यूमिनियम और मैंगनीज वो भी प्लांट के अंदर एक्यूमुलेट हो जाते हैं, एंड दे आर ऑल्सो हार्मफुल द ह्यूमन हेल्थ. Okay, now we will see role of lime in industries. Large quantities of lime are used in the extraction and refining of metals. You have already studied metallurgy in metric as well as we will study it in second year. Lime is also used in paper, cement and leather industries. The ability of lime to react with sand at high temperature forming calcium silicate serve as an important basis for glass manufacture. Glass industry basically depend upon the silicates and the silicates of calcium are also important in glass industry. Lime is used in ceramic industry for producing different type of sanitary material. Sanitary material में हमारे घरों में जो वॉश बेसन्स और अदर सैनिटरी मटेरियल्स इस्तेमाल होते हैं वो आते हैं. इस तरह के जो स्ट्रक्चर्स होते हैं उनको सिरेमिक स्ट्रक्चर कहा जाता है, एंड लाइम इज़ अ बेसिक कंपोनेंट ऑफ द सिरेमिक स्ट्रक्चर्स. Okay, there is a short question. Ordinary mortar, also called lime mortar, is prepared by mixing freshly prepared slag lime with sand. There is 1 volume of slag lime and 3 volumes of sand, and a paste is formed of this material with the help of water. The material, when placed between the stones and brick, hardens or sets, thus binding the blocks firmly together. The equation for the chemical reaction which takes place when mortar hardens are: calcium oxide combines with water and converted into calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide plus carbon dioxide combines to give calcium carbonate, and water. Calcium hydroxide plus silicon oxide combine to give calcium silicate and water. Lime is also used in refining of sugar and other food products. Lime is used in the manufacturing of bleaching powder, which is used for the bleaching of the fabric and paper pulp. A suspension of the calcium hydroxide is called milk of lime and is used as a whitewash. Whitewash is basically a suspension of calcium hydroxide which is used as milk of lime and applied on the walls of our houses. Point number 9. When lime is heated with coke at about 2800 degrees Celsius in an electric furnace, calcium carbide is produced, which on hydrolysis yield acetylene. Calcium oxide and 3 moles of carbon results in the formation of calcium carbide and carbon monoxide. Calcium carbide is very important for the industrial preparation of acetylene. Point number 10. Lime is often employed as a dehydrating agent, for example in the preparation of absolute alcohol and the drying of ammonia gas. A mixture of sodium hydroxide and calcium hydroxide is often employed to remove both water and carbon dioxide gas from certain other gases. Okay, now